In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly fix Gemini Nano banana aspect ratio problems when creating images. If you've been getting square images when you really want a wide, cinematic 16:9 look, this walkthrough will show you a fast, reliable fix using Gemini's own tools. We'll start from scratch. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini, then click through to the official Gemini website. This takes you to the app where you can create images directly. Once you're in, click the Create Image option. This activates the image generator, sometimes referred to as Nano Banana, behind the scenes. Type a quick idea to get started, anything simple will do, and then hit Submit to generate your first result. This step is just to confirm what Gemini is doing by default. You'll notice the image that comes back is a 1:1 square. That's the core issue many people run into. We want to change that to a 16:9 aspect ratio for a proper landscape frame. Here's the trick that works consistently. Use a reference image with the exact aspect ratio you want and tell Gemini to match it. Click the plus sign next to the prompt area to upload a reference image. Make sure the file you upload is truly 16:9. Common sizes like 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720 are perfect. Any clear photo or a simple blank canvas at 16:9 will work. The actual content doesn't matter, just the ratio. If you're not sure whether your file is 16:9, check its dimensions before uploading so Gemini has the right target. Now in the prompt box, type, match the aspect ratio of the generated image to the aspect ratio of my uploaded photo. This tells Gemini to use the uploaded image as a guide for framing. You can keep your original creative idea in the same prompt if you'd like, but the key is including that exact instruction about matching the aspect ratio. Click Submit again and let Gemini regenerate. You should now receive an image framed at 16:9 instead of a square. If it still looks off, double check that your reference really is 16:9 and hasn't been cropped or rotated. Re-uploading a clearly 16:9 file often resolves any mismatch. Also, keep that instruction in your prompt so future iterations stay consistent. And that's it. By opening Gemini, creating an initial image, uploading a 16:9 reference, and telling Gemini to match that ratio, you can immediately fix those stubborn square results and get the widescreen look you want.